Question number 6. Ziningi prepared a trial balance. The total of the debit column was 225,750 and the total of the credit column 225,250. It is not equal. Question is, what could explain the difference? Debit balance is given. Debit, credit of the trial balance. Debit column is 225,750 while credit column is 225,250. The difference is 500 is the difference. 500 is the difference. So what could explain this difference? Bank overdraft 250 was recorded as a debit balance. Bank overdraft is the liability, that is the credit balance in the trial balance. But by mistake, if they entered bank overdraft in the debit balance, there is the double mistake. One, they are not entered in the credit side and one, they are entered in the debit side. So it will multiply the difference. So 250 into 500, it will multiply the difference. So the correct answer is A. Let's check the remaining answer why this is wrong. Inventory 500 was included in as a debit balance. Inventory is an asset, it is debit balance only. So that is not the reason. Purchase return is the credit balance. That is correct. So it will not make any difference. Sales return is again the debit balance. This also not make any difference, these three. So the correct answer is A only. Question number 7. Rent received from a tenant tenant debited to the rent receivable account and credited to cash book. Which type of error has been made? When the business receiving the rent, debit, but is the business is receiving cash as the rent received. So the correct transaction is cash account debtor and rent received is credit. But by mistake they are ended. Rent received is debit, rent received account is debited and cash is credited. This is the opposite transaction. So what type of error has been made? This is completely reverse transaction. So commission no, compensating no. The correct answer is complete reversal, answer C. Question number 8. A computer system purchased from Ace Computers, the amount is $130, had been incorrectly recorded as 1,340. The correct amount is 1,430, but they are ended 1,340 and was ended in the stationery account. Another mistake, they are ended this into the stationery account instead of office equipment. Actually they have to enter office equipment. The amount is 1,430 is the correct answer, but they are ended in 1,340. Which journal entry correct this error? How to correct this error? First we can enter the correct transaction. Correct transaction is business purchase computer system. This is the office equipment item. So the correct transaction is office equipment account debtor is computers credit. Amount is 1430, but the mistake they are ended this transaction as, instead of office equipment they are ended stationery account debtor and Ace computer creditor. Amount is ended 1340. So how many arrays are done? Here the arrays are done office equipment account debtor. Office equipment is the correct, but they are ended stationery. So office equipment is not ended, stationery they are ended. So first the correct transaction, office equipment they have to enter, then stationery they have to remove from the journal entry. Second, Ace computers actual amount is 1430, but they are ended only 1340, that is understated. So the difference 1430 minus 1340, 90 is the difference that again enter in the Ace computers on the credit side. Ace computer is understated. So the correct entry, first enter office equipment. Office equipment is not entered in the question. So office equipment is 1430. Office equipment account not ended. Now we are entering office equipment is 1430. Office account debtor. Next we have to correct stationery account. We have to remove from here. Stationery is the wrong account, they are debited. So remove stationery account, and Ace computers are only ended 1340. Actual amount is 1430. So understated 90. This 90 again we have to enter. So Ace computers Ace computers 90. Again on the credit side, office equipment account debtor 1430. Ace computers credits 90. Then stationery we remove. Stationery account also on the credit side, how much they ended? 1340. That amount stationery 1340 we remove. So our correct entry is office equipment account debtor, Ace computers credit, stationery account credit. So the correct option is D. Question number 9. Kate calculated her draft profit for the year ended $28,400. She later discovered some errors. Rent prepaid, understated by 1000. Closing inventory also understated by 1500. What was the correct profit for the year? The profit before the error, it was with the error they are done the profit 28,400. 28,400 is the profit. But rent prepaid understated by 1,000. Rent prepaid is decreasing the expense. So the decreasing expense is understated 1,000. 1,000 they are not deducted from the expense. So expense must be understated, overstated. When the prepaid is understated, expense must be overstated there. Then closing inventory. Closing inventory will reduce the cost of sales. So closing inventory understated means cost of sales must be overstated. So expense overstate means profit must be understated. Cost of sales overstate, profit must be understated. So this erase means it will understated the profit. So when we are correcting the profit, the both understated amount should be added with the profit with erase. So it's 28,400 plus 1,000 plus 1,500. What is the total? 30,900 is the total. So the correct profit will be 30,900. Prepaid and closing inventory understated means cost must be overstated. Cost overstate means profit must be understated before correcting this error. So when we are correcting the error, we will add both the errors. So it will increase the profit 30,900. Correct answer is D. Question number 10. What would not be included in sales ledger control account? What not be entered? The options are given. Cash sales recorded in the cash book. Cash sales recorded. Cash sales ledger control account means the total amount of the trade receivables or debtors. Cash sales means that is not the debtors. So the correct option is cash sales. Which are the other options given? Check received from credit customers. It will enter in the sales ledger control account. So this answer is wrong. Goods sold on credit in sales ledger. Goods sold, credit sales also will be entered. Bad debt also entered. So these three are wrong. The correct option is option A.